Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I'm just gonna create a basic jQuery file, or basically I just want to show you the syntax of the jQuery, that how the jQuery works. But before that, I'm just gonna create an element in the HTML to apply some jQuery in it. So the div I just created, and then I'm just applying some style here, and then here first of all the background color as orange, and then after the background color I'm applying the width as 500 px, the height as 300 px, and then save and go to the browser to check that it's working or no. Refresh. Now we got the orange colored block here. That means it perfect. Now for applying the jQuery, we need to create a new script tag. You just cannot use this script tag where we just apply the jQuery library. We just have to create a new one for coding the jQuery. So I'm just creating the script tag again, just like the JavaScript. Now the whole jQuery is dependent on a simple syntax: the $, parentheses, a period, parentheses, and a semicolon. The whole jQuery is dependent on this very simple and easy syntax. So now you can understand how easy jQuery it is. In the first one, we have to put the selector. Then after the point, the period, here we just apply the event or the effect. Okay, if it's the event or the effect, we can put some values there or a function there. I'm just gonna teach you in detail by the way. So as a selector, first of all, this is necessary to select the document. So document, and then just you can see the period here. Just after the period we have to type the ready. This is the event, the ready event. This is really necessary to do. So because this is an event, so I'm just creating a function here inside the parentheses function, and you know the rule of the function and the parentheses and a curly braces. Now this is necessary to create a jQuery file or working in the jQuery file. Now you have to do everything inside the jQuery, inside this block of code. Go inside, and now you just need to design the whole jQuery. All the jQuery codes must be here. This is the basic structure of the jQuery. Now is the jQuery working or no? So I'm removing this line, or I think just press enter, and then again, as I said, that the whole jQuery has the same syntax. So let's just draw that one again. Okay, now first of all we have to get a selector. So what we are just about to selecting this element. I'm just gonna select this element, the div. Now did you remember the CSS selectors? We can select any element by its class, by its ID, by the tag name. So I'm just selecting this element by its tag name. However, I can select this element by the class. Right now I'm just selecting the elements by its tag name, the div. Now I just selected the element. One thing more I just want to clear, why I just didn't use the single or double quotes here, but I'm using here. So basically this one is a reserved word, and when I just type the document, so the browser or the jQuery automatically knows that we are talking about the whole document, so it's okay. But there it just don't know about the div, so we have to mention that this is a selector. So we just mention this inside this single quote or double quote. Then do you want to apply some effect on it, or just want to apply some event on it? Did you remember the event we just learned in the JavaScript? Just like that, on mouse over, on click, just like we just don't need to call the on, we just directly call click, the double click, the mouse over, etc. But right now I'm just applying an effect here. I'm applying, which effect I'm applying? The fade out. I'm just going to talk about the fade out later on, but I just apply the fade out. Now save and go to the browser. Now when I just refresh the page, you can see that the element is actually going slightly. Just refresh that. Now you can see that when I just refresh the page, the element is coming, the div, and then going lightly by fading. It's looking pretty awesome. That means the jQuery is working perfectly in our document. So guys, in the next class I'll just guide you some more things, basically the selectors and the events. So stay tuned and goodbye.